Hello guys, good day. My name is Brent Paul Macasilhig and now we are back. So let's now tackle Module 1 Assessment 3. So the problem is to make a push button. Using a push button switch, turn on and off an LED. So the materials to be used are one Arduino Uno, one USB A to B cable, one breadboard, one LED 5 millimeters, one 220 ohms resistor, one 10 kilo ohms resistor, one push button switch, and six jumper wires. So now, let's head on to our Tinkercad. Okay, so let me repeat what we should have. Uh, one Arduino Uno. Okay, Arduino Uno. Let's put that there. Next is one breadboard. Okay, after that, one LED. Let's change the color to blue. Howie. Next is push button. Okay. Next is resistor. We have the 10 kilo ohms. 10 kilo. 10k. We have that there. And then here we have the 220. Okay. So remember there is difference in color for the resistors who has kilo ohms and ohms. So kilo ohms has a dark colors, while ohms has lighter colors. Okay. Then okay, now let's start. So let me put the LED here. Let us sync that one here. Let's put the push button here, and then okay. So terminal terminal one in. I see. Okay. Let so this 10k serves as resistor for the push button. Okay. This one serves for the LED. LED. Terminal one, terminal two. I see. So let's start by rotating this resistor. Okay, that's it's looking good. So let us first start by connecting the ground to the resistor here in the LED. So we should okay here and then to the negative side. Always remember that ground is negative. Okay. After putting here, everything here has now the ground connected. So we can start here. Wait. Um. Okay. Let me just cancel that one. Let's put here ourselves here. Okay. Then here to there, or just like there. Okay. Because they are all connected here. So we can put just there or here. Okay. Let's change the color first to black. To black. Next is we connect the LED to any of numbers here. So I shall pick here 7. 7. And then we'll put it in the negative. Oh wait. Um, no. This is now directed. Direct to the lines here. Mm, that's more like it. Okay. So now we have already connected the LED. Now let's move on to the push button. So here we connect this one first. Here, like that. Let's keep it to minimum. There we go. Uh, let's change the color first to uh, define the wirings. To differentiate the wirings, I see. Next is this is the positive sign is the color is red, so we should have this here. Okay, here, red. After that, we need power to move the push button as always, right? So here we can find the power. So from the voltage to the ground, okay. So we shall connect from here to here, and then from here all of it is connected to the power. So now we'll just make a circuit for the power. We shall pick 5 volts, and there we go. So we're finished with the wiring. Hmm. Yes, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now we're good. So let's move on to the coding. Hmm. Uh, Code text. Okay, so we'll just erase all of that. So let's first define. Define define is to emphasize, like something like that. So where is our LED connected? Number 7. So let's first define LED 7. Next one is define. Define. Excuse me. Button. Um, where we have it. This green wire 6. Okay. After that, um, use byte. Then all button. Then semicolon. And byte. Um, let's state equals 0 semicolon. Now we should put unsigned long. Last button state change equals millis. Open close parenthesis semicolon. Next is unsigned long. The bounce duration. Mm. We need to have the bounce duration as it is one of the most important things because when we press the push button we need to push it again in order to for it to turn off, right? Just like the lights in our household, when we turn on the switch, the lights go light up, and when we turn off the switch it shuts off. Okay, so that is what we're going to do, and for that we need to have the debounce duration. I guess 50 semicolon. Now we are going to have the setup. Void setup. Okay. pin mode. Always remember the pin mode. And then we're using LED. We want to have the LED output. Next is pin mode. Okay. If we're having the LED output, output means what you can see outside. So, what you call this, the result. So the result we wanted is to have the LED light up and shut off. So, corresponding for the output is the input. So the input we should have is from the push button. So we put here button input. Always remember the let's call this the case for the letters that we've typed above. So LED all uppercase, then button all lowercase, semicolon. Next is all button was digital read. So it will automatically read the buttons movement, buttons function. Okay. Okay. Don't forget to close the brace. Okay. Now we're moving on to the void loop. Open close parenthesis. Open brace. If wait, millis. Open close parenthesis. Minus last button. Okay. State change is greater than or equal to the bounds duration close parenthesis and then wait rules of their byte new button equals digital read button close semicolon if new button exclamation point equals old button then uh, last button state change equals millis equals semicolon old button equals new button semicolon if new button is equal to low open brace if uh, lead state hmm, lead state is equal to high close open brace lead state oh my bad lead state equals low mm, there we go okay, close else uh, lead state equals high Digital, right? LED. Let's see. Mm, wait, I think. There we go. Wait, just think of it like putting there. I guess that should do it. Hmm. Okay, so they should do it. So let me uh, return. So define LED, define button, unsigned long, debounce duration. Okay, after that, after the setup, the loop. So it may be what you call this uh, libog kung sa Tagalog pa. But yes, we can do this. So let's try. I hope there's no wrong in my coding. Okay, so there's no wrong. There's no red marks here. So let's now try to push the button. Oh, so there it goes. So one push for the button, it lights up. Then if we push it again, it shuts off. Again, 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 again. There we go. So I think that's all for this day. So we have successfully solved the problem using push button to switch turn on and off the LED. So that's all. Thank you. So this is my module 1 assessment 3. Thank you for watching, guys.